Hey guys, today I will be doing a Toyota Prius oil change. This is for the 3rd generation Prius. So what you need is 4 quarts of oil, which is 0W20. You want the oil filter, which is YZZA6. Make sure it's A6. It's a cartridge oil filter with the O-ring. And this is the oil filter wrench, or whatever you call, coupler that removes the oil filter housing. It is Toy 640, TOY 640, and I'm using this small little Phillips screwdriver to take out the 3 clips underneath, and I'm using a 3/8 ratchet with a 14mm socket, and also my drain pan. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is jack up your vehicle up and then put 2 jack stands on each side, or you drive up on the ramp like I did right here, and then you want to remove your oil cap right here. And now we're going to go underneath. So once you're down here, get a flathead screwdriver, pry on this tab right here. Another one right here. And another one right on this side right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Once you take those 3 clips out, go ahead and push this door down. And this is where your oil filter housing is at, and your drain plug is at. Now I'm going to loosen my drain bolt. Be careful, because oil is going to come gushing out here slowly. Once you think the oil is done being drained, go ahead and put on the new gasket. The gasket right here is stuck, so I'm just going to pry on it. Once the oil is being done drained, go ahead and remember put on your new gasket. This is a nylon gasket that I got from Toyota. And go ahead and plug the hole. Wipe it clean. Tighten it. Not too tight, just hand tighten it. You don't want to crush the washer and then you'll have a leak. So now I'm going to take out this oil filter housing right here. Put this cap on, and it's using a 3/8 ratchet right here. You should put your pan down there. Go ahead and remove this slowly. Careful of it coming out. It's gonna gush on you again. There you go. Make sure to take out the old gasket and put the new one on. After that, go ahead and put in your new O-ring gasket right here. Put it in the groove. And make sure your new oil filter is inside as well. Go ahead and wipe off the dirt, oil, and secure it back inside. I never actually lubed the O-ring because it never gave me any problem. But if that's your way of lubing the O-ring, then go ahead and lube the O-ring. It's just personal preference. Let's go ahead and hand tighten it. Make sure it's hand tightened. That's it. This. Now that put the 3 clip back on. Small ones on the side. The big ones here. And the small one right here. After you're done tightening everything down there, go ahead and put 4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil in here. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light. Go ahead and press the start button. Press it twice without stepping on the brake pedal. And then you want to change your odometer to trip A. You find that on your steering wheel. And then you want to turn off your vehicle. After that, go ahead and press on this kilometer and miles per hour button right here, and then you want to press and hold. While pressing and holding it, you want to press and your power button right there. Press it twice and your reset maintenance light right here is being reset. And that's how you reset your maintenance light on the Prius.